Hello, welcome to task analysis. This is the introduction. So here's where you're at. You're at the beginning of coursework, and the first thing that you have to do is a task analysis. Here's what you'll learn in this video. You'll learn what a task analysis is and why completing it successfully is crucial for coursework success. We'll have a look at the marking rubric for the task analysis and see what it's like. Then we'll look at the steps needed to complete the task analysis, and finally we'll talk about how to present your task analysis. So first of all, a quote. Get the habit of analysis. Analysis will in time enable synthesis to become your habit of mind. Frank Lloyd Wright, who was a famous architect. By the way, synthesis means the combination of components or elements to form a connected whole. So the goal of task analysis is to critically examine the task you need to complete and plan how you will complete it. And in this case, your task is your coursework question. Okay, so now let's look at the marking rubric. The high band is 8 to 10 marks, and to get a high band, you need to identify the majority of the key factors and provide a comprehensive and relevant list of related factors with sufficient elaboration. You also need to set clear priorities for the task question. You need to show clear understanding of the task requirements as well. So here are the steps for completing task analysis. Step 1, identify the keywords, key phrases in the task question and then define them. Step 2, elaborate on each keyword and key phrase. Importantly, you will need to include your investigative activity in the task analysis, so you will need to identify the possible experiments you can conduct and the possible records you can make for each experiment. Step 3, you need to list and explain your task priorities and show that you are clear of the task requirements. And step 4, you need to develop an overall time plan. So how should your task analysis be presented? Well, it's really up to you. Here are some examples of ways of presenting your task analysis. You can present it in a mind map, you can do it in table form, or you can just write it in paragraphs. It's really up to you. Just remember, you need to keep it logical and neat. So take action now. Watch the next video on step 1. Identify your keywords and key phrases.